Install openssh on Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. First, you'll need to open a terminal window and then enter sudo apt-get update. And when prompted, enter your credentials for the sudo user. Then run sudo apt-get install openssh-server. And when prompted, if you want to continue, hit Y for yes. And then the package as well as its dependencies will all install on your server. Once the process has completed, you can confirm by running ps-ef pipe to grep SSH to see that the daemon is running for the SSH server. If this video has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at openssh-server.